When Origin first approached us to tell me how to take my brand forward and to how a brand would add economic value, I was a little skeptical to begin with. I was wondering how an outside agency or a consultancy could tell me what to do with my brand when I've been there for 4 years with it while they've just come in. However, what was more intriguing or awakened my curiosity was the fact that they said it's going to add economic value. It's not just a jargon, it's not just something that you do for the sake of putting a brand together. So I went along with it. We were planned out a workshop. Again, I had a preconceived notion of what a workshop is going to be all about. I thought it's going to be somebody, a consultant, giving me a lot of gyan. I would sit at one particular place and take all that in, and the team would listen to that. It turned out to be pleasantly different. We had a lot of interaction, we had a lot of fun things that we did there, color pencils, paints, got our hand dirty, and really got down to it. It felt like they were letting us do what we want. We were actually putting down what we thought about the brand on paper while they were directing us. At the end of it, there was a lot of learning which came through. I got to know what my brand stands for. I got to know what that persona is. I understood how I need to take it forward. Result is, when I came back to my office, I really now know which direction to take in any and every aspect of it. So any decision is that much more easier for me. The smudges have gone along the sides. I'm absolutely clear what I want. So I think it's a great exercise that we did.
We started a session on Origin last month. As the founder who's from a financial background, I really didn't know what to expect from this session. So the whole session was essentially a gathering of senior executives of Cartizone from disciplines like finance, marketing, operations, and it was guided by the executives of Origin. So the session started with introduction of economic value of a brand. Till now, brand was considered as only a marketing concept, and it was the introduction during the session about how brand can be used for deriving or driving economic value in the business, and how financing institutions, including lenders, are now valuing the brand to finance companies. So it was a very novel experience, or a novel introduction for us. And we went through 4 very creative and interactive sessions on the visions of the Cartizone team. And at the end, I think there was complete alignment among all the people involved in this exercise about what Cartizone should be. For every customer who's involved in building a consumer brand, I think it's a very interesting starting point to go through such an exercise. Because I think this is essentially on which you will put up the entire, this is the foundation on which you will put up the entire brand, and therefore I think it is absolutely essential for any customer to go through this kind of a session absolutely initially.
I took over from my father as the chairman, and we as a family decided that we needed to be in businesses which belong to the next decade. And honestly speaking, we came up with different answers. That's the time that we decided that we need to do a brand identity program. And we contacted Origin. The key point was it just a question of form, logo, colors, or was it driving the value behind what you want to really do and the function of your entire group and companies that had to be? What can one expect when you go through this exercise? Honestly speaking, expect the unexpected. As a family group, we had never really sat down and said what really makes us tick. And I think this exercise that we did with Origin brought out what made us tick. And that was completely different from what we thought. And I think that's the key to this exercise. There has to be commitment right from the top. If it's a family managed company, then the entrepreneurs themselves. If it's a professionally managed company, then the top executive team have to spend hours in workshops to understand with the team at Origin that what really needs to go to make this value added to their company. We as a family would remember this exercise for a long time to come. It was an interesting exercise, but what stood out was the manner in which it was conducted. It was quite informal, kept us at ease. The reactions from us were got more not directly, but indirectly. This made us to get to know a bit more about ourselves at the end of this exercise. It was truly enjoying. The immediate results have been seen that the group, though diversified, feels one. all the employees speak the same language, they identify with the same brand. And I think that's our first step to developing what we believe is our strategy for economic value.
At first, we were looking for a logo change, but with Origin, they gave us completely different perspective altogether. They made us understand the economic value for our brand. What are the economic drivers for all which is driving our brand? It was just not a cosmetic change, it was completely a different realization to what we were doing. They made us understand the core competencies of our business. We had different vision, different mission for all our businesses. They made us to align that into one vision and one mission, which was internally made by us finally. They made us understand our brand essence, and then the brand promise. The brand promise was what which would really keep up to, not just external brand promise. It was what internally, and that what we could deliver 100%. Origin wanted to do the workshop very informally. Outdoor workshop was spread over 2 months, over 10 complete days. It was very done in an informal manner. It was very fun. It was challenging. It was a lot of thought put into the workshop. We did a lot of artwork, drawing. It was a different experience, and we enjoyed all the 10 workshops, both family and professionals together. The first, second generation and all the present professionals were all there in the workshop. We had to express what our company would like to be in the future, what our image would like to be, what our brand would like to be. The workshop was designed in a very dramatic and holistic manner. The result was very positive. After the workshop has brought in the desired results, what we had targeted for the coming financial year, the first quarter is achieved, and we're very positive about our branding, what we have done